Hey there, so today I'm gonna talk to you about a unique math symbol called vaporise. It is inspired by the flow of vapor in the air, and it represents the smooth, fluid nature of mathematical relationships. The name vaporise is actually derived from the word vapor, which means something that changes and flows. In Tagalog, it is also linked to the word singaw, which represents something intangible, just like abstract math concepts. So it is all about capturing the essence of something that's not fixed, but constantly moving and evolving. Now, why does it matter in math? Well, the vaporise symbol is all about approximation. It is used to show that a value or relationship is not exact, but it transitions smoothly within a certain range, much like how vapor moves through the air. So instead of sharp jumps or rigid steps, it reflects gradual changes. It's like saying, hey, we're getting closer, but we're still moving, still evolving. It's perfect for those moments when you want to show that something not set in stone but is gradually approaching a limit or value. So the inspiration behind the vaporise symbol comes from the something pretty interesting, smoke and air pollution. Think about how smoke rises, spreads, and changes shape as it moves through the air. It's not fixed. It doesn't follow a straight path, it flows and transforms. Just like the relationship we deal with in math. This idea of something being intangible and ever-changing is what inspired the creation of the vaporise symbol. Just like how smoke is affected by the wind and other elements, math can also be influenced by approximations, changes, and adjustments. And just like the way smoke is not something we can grab or hold, some math concepts can feel a little abstract and not so easily defined. That's why the vaporise symbol works perfectly for representing those fluid, gradually transition we often deal with in math, where things don't just jump from one point to another but instead flow in a more continuous, smooth way. In short, the vaporise symbol represents fluidity, transition, and approximation in math. It is a visual way to remind us that math is not always about being precise down to the last decimal. Sometimes sometimes it's about understanding the flow and the process of getting to answer. Cool, right? And that's all for today.